Peru, a land of mystery, a land of beauty, a place where the past and present coexist in harmony, a land of ancient civilizations and vibrant cultures where every corner tells a story. Imagine exploring lost cities hidden in mist-shrouded mountains where history whispers through the stones. Picture yourself hiking through lush rainforests teeming with life, where every step is an adventure. Peru is a feast for the senses, a journey for the soul, offering experiences that touch the heart. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've left, creating memories that last a lifetime. This South American gem offers something for everyone, from the curious traveler to the seasoned explorer. History buffs will marvel at the remnants of the Inca Empire, where ancient wonders await discovery. Adventure seekers can trek through the Andes or navigate the Amazonian waterways, each offering unique thrills. Culture enthusiasts will be captivated by the colourful traditions and warm hospitality of the Peruvian people, who welcome you with open arms. Peru is a land of contrasts where diverse landscapes create a unique tapestry, a place where ancient traditions meet modern life, blending seamlessly into a vibrant culture, where towering mountains give way to arid deserts and lush rainforests, each region offering its own charm. This diversity is part of Peru's magic, a spellbinding mix that enchants every visitor. It's what makes it so captivating, a place where every view is a masterpiece. So, pack your bags, grab your adventurous spirit, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey to discover the heart and soul of Peru, a land like no other.
Peru is a melting pot of cultures, a blend of indigenous traditions and Spanish influence, creating a unique and vibrant cultural tapestry. This rich heritage is evident in the country's colorful festivals, vibrant music, and exquisite artisan crafts, each telling a story of its own. Experience the Inti Raymi, the Festival of the Sun, a vibrant celebration of Inca heritage that brings history to life. Witness the Danza de las Tijeras, the scissors dance, a mesmerizing display of skill and athleticism, showcasing the dancers' incredible agility. Attend a local festival in a small village and immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of the Peruvian people, experiencing their traditions firsthand. Browse through local markets, where you'll find colorful textiles, intricate silver work, and beautiful ceramics, each piece a testament to the artisan's skill. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the traditions and artistry passed down through generations, preserving the cultural heritage of Peru.
Peruvian cuisine is a delight for the senses, offering a vibrant and diverse array of dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. A fusion of flavors, influenced by indigenous ingredients and culinary traditions from around the world, creates a unique and unforgettable dining experience. From fresh seafood to hearty Andean dishes, Peru offers a culinary adventure like no other, with each region contributing its own special flavors and techniques. Start your day with a breakfast of chicharrón, a flavorful dish of fried pork belly, often served with sweet potatoes and a side of tangy salsa. For lunch, sample ceviche, Peru's national dish, made with fresh raw fish marinated in citrus juices, and often accompanied by corn and sweet potatoes. In the evening, indulge in a hearty lomo saltado, a stir-fry that combines marinated beef strips with onions, tomatoes, and soy sauce, served with crispy fries and rice. Don't forget to try the many varieties of potatoes, a staple in Peruvian cuisine, with over 3,000 different types to explore. And be sure to sample the exotic fruits, from the sweet lucuma to the tangy granadilla, each offering a unique taste of Peru's rich biodiversity.
Section 10. Unforgettable Peru awaits. Peru is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. From the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu to the vibrant streets of Lima, from the majestic Andes Mountains to the lush Amazon rainforest, Peru offers an unforgettable journey of discovery. So why wait? Start planning your Peruvian adventure today. Explore the ancient ruins, immerse yourself in the vibrant and colorful culture, and marvel at the stunning natural beauty. Peru awaits, ready to enchant and inspire you. Let the adventure begin now.